Hello and welcome back, Donnie and D, back at ya. So today I'm going to be talking about this marble lantern backsplash install. So this is day one of this project. Giving you a walk around, show you what I'm doing here. That little section on the counter over there, then around this whole sink area and stove going to be installed. So today I'm going to discuss with you guys what the total investment was for this client, what it actually took me as an owner-operator to do this install and do it precisely, and all that. So stay tuned, here we go. So I believe this was day one of the project. I had to paint a liquid membrane over it because it had some bare drywall there. So I'll give it a nice prime. Here's me doing the template with some wand strips, hot gluing everything together. Here's a template going down. I have all the marble laid out on a nice flat surface. In this case, it was the floor downstairs. Position my template precisely to the exact places I need, so I make sure I have the cuts where I want them to be. Then I simply mark around the edges while holding down this template so it doesn't move. And then I cut everything here. Here's it all laid out. I have all my marks on there. So now what I do is I basically put blue tape on the face of each of one of these. Because what happens is when they get wet, they tend to fall off the mesh backing on the tile here. So putting the blue tape goes a long way. Then I cut them all on a wet saw and take my time because these cuts have to be precise. You can't adjust them pretty much once it's on there. That's it. You can adjust some cuts here and there, but you really want to get this right when you cut it on the saw at this moment. Here is the install. Got all my thin sets spread out. You can see the blue tape on the face of these. Just also making sure the back of them are clean as I set them, going into place. And here is a backsplash completely set, grouted, silicone, and caulked where necessary. So I'm going to break down everything for you guys right now. The total hours I have on this project was 29.75. I have a total of 5 days on this project. Not all days were full days. I did have 2 half days and about 3 full days. Longest day being 7 hours, my shortest day being about 3.75 hours. So a lot of back and forth with dry time, this, that, and the other thing. But anyway, the total investment to this client, they handed me the tile, the grout, all the caulking necessary. I came in there with all the setting materials, the priming materials, the prepping materials, counter protection, floor protection, so on. The total investment to this client was $2,600. And this was at the time of October 2023. So prices will vary a little bit here or there, but at the time, this is what this client invested. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you on the next video. Donnie D signing off.